Interested in adding a visually appealing blog page to your current WordPress website? Alternatively, you may want to create a new blog website from scratch. Whatever the case, today's video is for you. Even if you have purchased a popular theme and are using one of its templates, you may find that the blog page is lacking in quality. Even if the template is good, you choose to stand out by creating a blog page in your own unique design. As a result, today I'm going to teach you a method for creating visually appealing blog pages. It's incredibly simple to put together, and the results are fantastic, as you can see on the screen. I'm using the Elementor Pro plugin, which is a premium one. However, it just costs $49 a year, which is a very reasonable price for the best page builder on the market. I also have the free edition of the Essential Add-ons for Elementor plugin installed, which adds extra elements to Elementor. Finally, I'm utilizing the free Fluent Forms plugin, which is a fantastic form builder. If you like the templates created in this video, I will also leave a link below so you can download them for free and save some time. I will also leave the timetable, so you may come back later and skip some parts. If you wish to get Elementor Pro, I'll have included a link in the description below. Because it's an affiliate link, I may make a little commission if you buy it. There is no additional cost to you, and it enables me to continue producing the free content that we publish. So let us begin with the tutorial. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at wpgopro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. Here I am on the dashboard in the plugins folder. The plugins required for this tutorial are both versions of free and paid for Elementor. Also, the free versions of Essential Add-ons for Elementor and Fluent Forms. As you can see, I have already installed all of them, but if you don't know how to do it, I will show you now. So, click Add New. Search for Elementor. The free version of Elementor is on the left, and the free version of Essential Add-ons for Elementor is on the right. You click to install them and then click to activate both of them. For the Elementor Pro, after purchasing you get a zip file, which you must upload from this page and then activate it. Now search for Fluent. The free version of Fluent Forms is in the middle, so click to install and activate it. After installation, in the Templates folder under Elementor, click on Theme Builder. Here are all the templates I have used on this site. I am used to the table view, so I will switch from here. Alright, for our blog we need to create two templates. The first is for the single flower post page, and you can see it right here. I will open it in another tab to see what it looks like. It is a nice, simple page. Back to the dashboard. The second template is the blog archive page. I am opening it in another tab. Again, it looks nice and simple. With the installation of Fluent Forms, the plugin created two forms for us. So, for the contact form and the subscription form, we don't have to do anything more than that. Let's have a look at the subscription page. Again, it is exactly what we need inside the post page. Okay, it is time to go back to the Elementor templates. Again, I switch to the table view. I am going to delete the blog archive template first. Next, I am going to delete the single post template. So now we are able to start from the beginning and redesign them both. In the archive folder, click Add New Archive. I name it Flowers Blog Archive and I click Create Template. I don't want any of these templates, so close the window. Now I am ready to start the design. Click the plus icon to add a new single column section. From the Style tab of the section, click the background type and choose an image for the background. I am going to pick this one up here. Okay, now from the Layout tab, I am going to change the height of the section to be 250 pixels. Now I am going to add an overlay color, and it is in the Style tab. I am selecting the gray color, and the opacity should be 0.6. Now I need a heading inside this section. The title should be Blog, and its color should be white. From typography, I am changing the font size to be 80 pixels. Also, the alignment should be centered. Next, click the red plus icon to add a new single column section. Inside the section, add a spacer and make its height 100 pixels. Again, click the red plus icon to add a new single column section. Search for posts. I prefer to use the post grid from Essential Addons because I like it more, but you may want to use the post element which comes with Elementor Pro and it looks like that. As I said, I am going to delete it and use the post grid instead. Okay, here it is, but it needs some customization. I am changing the posts per page to be 6. The order by date is fine. In Layout settings, I am changing the column to 3 and the layout to grid. Activate the Load More button. We don't want to make any changes in the links section. In Style tab, change the post grid style to Style 3. Border radius should be 10. In thumbnail style, change the radius to 5. Back in the layout settings, deactivate the author name and the avatar, but keep the date. Actually, I may just deactivate the metadata completely. Back in Style tab, click on Typography to change the title font size to 24 pixels. In Hover Card Style, we are able to change the hover icon of the thumbnail and the background color as you see. For example, I could make it green. I think gray is better, and let's fix the opacity. In regards to the Read More button, I am going to change its size to 16 pixels and its weight to 600. Also, I want it in uppercase. For the Load More button, I am going to change its color from blue to green and its hover color to pink. In the Advanced tab, I will add some padding, something like 10 pixels will do. Now add another section at the bottom of the page and add some space. Something like 100 pixels. Okay, now click Publish. Click to add a condition where we want to display this template. Select Post Archive, so it is going to be used on the Post Archive page. Click Save and Close. Let's now view the page, so click View Live Site. As you can see, the blog page looks fine. Also, the Load More button is functional. Let's now return to the WordPress dashboard. So click to Exit to Dashboard. This time I want to go back to the Theme Builder folder because we need to design the single post template. Switch to Table View. Click on the Single Post tab. Click Add New Single Post. The name of the template should be Single Flower Post Template. Click Create Template. We don't need any of these templates, so click to close the window. Now let's start the design by adding a new single column section. From the Style tab of the section, I am going to change the background. Click the database icon at the bottom right corner and select the post's featured image. From the Layout tab, I am going to change the height to the minimum height and then to 400 pixels. From the Style tab, I will add a background overlay. I chose the gray color and set the opacity to 0.6. Now I want to add a heading inside, so click the plus icon. I want the heading to be dynamic, so I click the database icon and I select the post title. Let's make it aligned at the center and also change its color to white and its size to 80 pixels. Now click to add a new double column section. In the left column, add a spacer. Now add a heading, which again will be dynamic equal to the post title. Its color should be green to match the greenish style of the site. Next, under the post title, I want the post info element, which stores the author's name, date, time, and comments. I will keep only the date field, and I am going to delete the rest of them. From the Style tab, I am going to change the icon color to pink. Now add the post content element, which populates the column with the post's content. Now let's do the right column, so click the plus sign inside. Add a spacer inside the right column and, underneath, add the post's featured image. OK, now add a new double column section. Click on the icon to edit the left column. From the Style tab, I am going to change the color of the left column to pink. Now it is easier to duplicate this column and delete the one on the right, so I get two identical columns in pink. In the left column, add a spacer and, underneath, a heading. The text of the heading is, "Want to stay updated," and its color, in order to be readable, should be white. Next, add a text editor element for the message. We never spam and your email is kept safe. You may unsubscribe at any time. Again, the font color should be white and I am doing a little bit of formatting so it is aligned center. I think I should also adjust the spacer height to be shorter. 22 pixels, which looks better. In the right column, I need the subscription form, which was created in Fluent Forms at the plugin's installation. So search for Fluent and, as you see, there are two elements to choose from. One from Elementor Pro and one from Essential Addons. Both are good, so I'll just pick the first. Choose the subscription form in Forms field. From the Style tab, I am going to change the button color to green. Now I will add a spacer above the subscription form. 60 pixels is better, I think, or maybe 65. Next, click to add a single column section. Add the post navigation element inside so the user has an easy way to navigate from one post to the other. Search for Share and bring the Share to the social media buttons under the post navigation. This element brings 3 default buttons, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, but I am able to add a few more, so I chose to add Pinterest. Also, I may add the email if someone wants to share by email. Now, I will do some styling. The skin field should be boxed icon and the shape circle. In View, select the icon so we get nice circle icons. From the Style tab, in Color select Custom. Change the primary color to green and the button size to 1.25. Next, click to add a single column section. Add a heading inside and the text should be related. Change its color to green. From the Advanced tab, unlock the margin fields and add 80 pixels of margin on top. So, the heading has a bit of distance from the social media buttons. Now, click to add a single column section for the related posts. Search for posts. Select the Posts element coming from the Elementor Pro, which has a built-in function for pulling the related posts. From the Content tab, in Layout, select 3 columns and post per page to be 3 as well. I like the skin to be cards, so I will choose that. Deactivate the badge and avatar and remove the date and comments. Now, inside the query, in the source field, select Related. This is cool as it automatically excludes the current post and shows any of the other 3. Time to click on Publish. Now we need to add the condition to display the template. Of course, this should be used on posts only, so that's my selection. Click on Save and Close. Let's view the page now. That's the preview of the template. Let's click on the blog page and then open any post to check it with real data. Okay, I see a couple of things that need fixing. So back in editing, the related posts per page should be 3 instead of 6. Let's reload and check the page again. Okay, it looks better now. I'll return to editing and add some space at the bottom of the related posts section. So, go to the Advanced tab and click to unlock the margin fields. Add 100 pixels to the bottom. Click Update. Reload the page. Okay, the first fix is out of the way. Back to editing for the last one. Click on the top banner section. In the Style tab, in the Repeat field, select No Repeat and position should be center. Click Update. Now reload the page and check. Our post page is very good indeed. Let's check the blog page again and our home page, which is almost empty. Sometimes you need a small number of posts to show on the home page. This is easy to do. You just want to edit the home page and add a posts element inside. So let's go to the dashboard in the Pages folder. Click to edit with Elementor the home page. Now, since I have already prepared the post element in the archive template, I am going to copy it from there. So go to the Theme Builder and open up the archive template. It's the one in the middle. Click the Edit button on top right corner. Click to edit the section and then click Copy as you see here. Back to the home page, click on the section under the banner and then paste here. Okay, the spacer needs adjustment, but everything else looks fine. Let's click to update the page, and let's do the final check. As you see, everything looks nice and easy to use. That concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found this video useful, as I have shown you a method for creating visually appealing blog archives and single pages. Of course, if you spend a bit more time, you can do more styling and the outcome could be even better. But the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to do it, and the rest is up to you. If you liked this video and you don't want to miss my weekly videos related to WordPress and business online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. My name is Nick, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.